Hello from Slovenia again. I was so in love with these colors when I tried to do a magic with this magic balloon ball or whatever it was called, and it doesn't work, but for my eyes magic happens, but not the way that I was hoping. If you didn't see, I really love this painting that I did at the end with the straight pour. I will put my link in my description, but I want to do a flower dip with this color combination, but I'm still trying to do this kind of, petals thing with something in the middle and I will try it again. So this was quinacridone rose, and I will add metallic silver next. Or is this? Yes, it is metallic silver. And in the middle I will do a spiral today. Not circles, but spiral, and we will see what will happen. And next will be permanent rose red. So just pinks and some metallics, and I will do this pearl white next. Whoops, and I did a mistake, big mistake, because I have a blob and I just didn't see it. So where is my pipettes? I will try to doesn't work, so now it is what it is. And reflex rose, and I will add a drop of this pearl black here. Maybe this is a mistake again, I don't know. I'm still playing with these pearl paints. You can see what I used in this in the my previous video. I won't talk about it again, so you will not be bored. And I will add this reflex rose again. And now let's start with the spiral. In the middle, just like this. We will see. Silver. And what I use next? I will do this permanent red violet and my white again. Play with me. Flex rose. Quinacridone rose. And I think that this will be it. And I just kind of clean my palette knife on the canvas, so let's do the dip. Where I have my paper towels. And maybe this time I will try to push paint over the middle, to the middle, not to the sides first. Then I will do touch it in the circles. And let's lift this up. And again, I'm not happy with the middle part. How could I get this spiral thing and this on the edges? I don't know. Obviously, I can't get this middle part like a spiral, and the outside petals like this. Where is my skewer? Here you are. I will just do a spiral on top of this because I really don't like it. Or maybe just, yes, I will do a spiral. Maybe someday I will figure out how I should do this to get the effect that I'm hoping for. Better. But it's just a flower dip. I want to do a little different pattern, but I couldn't get it, obviously. I can't get it, obviously. So I will try again, because I'm not a quitter. No, I like it this way. And this will be some beautiful skin, I think. Don't be mad on me, but I'm not extremely happy with this one. So for those of you who like it, please don't be mad of me. But it's nice. It's not bad, but has some beautiful lacing and cells and everything. And oops, just a second. And design it's okay, but as I said, not something that I will be doing happy dance dar. I'm not doing it. I like this part, but I'm not sure about the whole painting. We will see how this will dry. So another experiment that didn't work, but that's why we experimenting. This is it for today. Subscribe, click the bell button, notification bell button if you didn't, and see you on the next one. Bye.